Hey YouTube, it's your girl Ashley and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here to my channel, then hey, what's up? It's your girl Ashley. Really hope you guys join the squad and hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for new videos. And if you are one of my OG subscribers, then thank you guys so much for tuning back in with me. Okay, so it is November 2017 and here I am again talking about wanting to lose weight. So if you guys have been following me, you guys will know that around this time last year, I actually made a video talking about wanting to lose weight in the new year and like New Year resolution and all that crazy stuff. And I set out to, lose weight in the year. And I'm not going to lie, I did start my weight loss journey, but of course got completely sidetracked and stopped losing weight. And here I am right back at the drawing board talking about wanting to lose weight yet again. So yeah, clearly it didn't really work out for me this year. Not gonna lie, I did have a whole bunch of different situations and things happening to me this year. Like this year was just a crazy year for me. It's definitely not one of my best years, to be completely honest. And this year actually taught me that I actually have an obsession with food, to be quite honest, or I eat when I need to be consoled, like comfort food. Like, what is that? Binge eating? What is that? When you feel sad, you want to eat food. Whatever that is, I have. And I realized that this year when I was in some of my lowest points, and the only thing that made me feel better was food. And it wasn't good food, because it was definitely not no damn salad. It was Popeyes, it was pizza, it was McDonald's, it was milkshakes, it was ice cream, and it was alcohol, and that's all that I wanted. And I lost the weight that I gained the weight back that I had lost. And yeah, so here we are again. I'm going to start over this whole weight loss journey. So yes, let's begin. Keep on watching me. Okay, so I started my weight loss journey January of this year, January 2017. And I was doing really well. I was so motivated. I was working out from home because at that time the gym in my area was still being built. It actually opened up in February. So I was working out from home. I was eating good. I was on a 1,200 calorie diet and no juice. Everything was just water. Like, it was actually really good, and I was so motivated. And in my first month I lost 15 pounds and I was so happy and so proud, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna lose 50 pounds every single month and it's gonna be a breeze. And no, that all came to a quick stop in February. I don't know what it was, but once February had hit, I kind of just hit a plateau. I just stopped losing weight. I started to feel sick. When I ate things, it started to not feel right in my stomach. And mind you, I was eating the same things all the time because I was on a strict calorie diet. So I just kept eating the same things all the time because I knew that it wouldn't be over my calorie restriction. So I would usually eat like eggs or a smoothie in the morning or a slim fast. For lunch I would have like a cup soup or something that was about 300 calories, maybe some yogurt and a slim fast, or Ensure or something, like a combination of like meal replacements and like smoothies and like food. Like, I was actually eating healthy. I was eating good food and everything was fine for that first month in January. But in February I hit like this halt. Like, everything just stopped and it was just no more losing weight. And I was like, okay, let's see if this stops. I started going to the gym, so I had more machines that I could use. I could work out different parts of my body. I was doing weight training and cardio, and the scale wouldn't move. Now, one thing about me that I should probably mention is I am obsessed with the scale. I have a very bad love-hate relationship with the scale because I was literally weighing myself like every day. I said I would come here every Sunday or every other Sunday and weigh myself, and I would literally get on the scale every single day just to make sure the numbers kept going down, which they did. But I had this really weird obsession with the scale. And obviously there is more to losing weight than just the numbers on the scale. There are so many non-scale victories that didn't even really click in my head that much at the time. But when I looked back, I'm like, girl, the scale wasn't moving, but your inches was still being lost. Like, I don't know what it is. It's just me and the scale. Like, if the numbers ain't going down, I'm convinced I'm not losing weight. But anyways, So February started, I stopped losing weight. I think I even made a video about that. If I did, I will definitely link it down below or up in the card section. But yeah, I literally just stopped losing weight. The scale stopped, and then around the 16th, 17th of February, I got really sick. I don't know if it was food poisoning. I think it was food poisoning, because if you have the stomach flu, that usually only lasts like a day, 24 hours. And it's almost like I had like a 48-hour stomach flu or something. Like, it was so strange. Like, I was throwing up, had diarrhea, and I never ate anything out of the blue. It literally started after I drank some water, and I don't know, like, I really don't know what happened to me at that point. And now that I think about it, I think my body was saying, girl, you need to do something different with this weight loss thing, because I don't know, like, everything was going fine, and then I noticed I started feeling really hungry after I ate the same food that I was eating. Like, my body started reacting differently to my regular routine, and I guess what, since I incorporated weight training, I needed to up my calories. I feel like I wasn't giving my body enough calories than what I was burning. I don't know, a whole bunch of things were going on, but clearly I wasn't educated enough to know what was going on with my body, and that I probably should have just re-switched up my whole routine and everything. But yeah, I got sick. And then after that, it was hard for me to start eating good food, and then things just started happening in my personal life, and I moved a couple times, and a whole bunch of different things. Okay, I completely fell off track. I started eating food to feel good about myself. When I was feeling kind of depressed, I would want to drink wine, I would want to have ice cream, I would want Popeyes, I would want fries, I would want burgers, I would want everything, and yeah, it was a hot mess. So the 15 pounds, well, it was actually a total of 17 pounds that I had lost. I completely gained it back. So to be completely honest with you guys, I am right back where I started. My starting weight in January is the weight I am right now, back today. So yeah, I've made absolutely no process in losing weight, and let me tell you guys, losing weight is just so hard. Like, every time I try to lose weight, ever since I can remember, I just struggle. I just can't lose the freaking weight. Like, I start and then I stop, and it's like, I don't know what it is. Like, I feel like I'm cursed. Maybe God is trying to tell me, girl, you're just supposed to be big. That's like, I don't know, like, it's not even like I'm trying to get skinny. I just want to lose like maybe like a 50 pounds or something. Like, but yeah, like, it is hard to lose weight, and like, I'll watch people's videos and hear their stories and what they're doing, and I'm like, oh my god, I'm doing that, and it's like, it's not working for me. Now obviously everybody's body is different, but I just wish there was like a magic pill that I could take and it would just, you know, do everything for me. So I'm gonna need y'all's help in losing weight this year, you guys. Please, please, please send me your routines, your regimens, your diets, your workout plan, whatever you guys are doing. Please help a girl out, because I am struggling. Like, I am literally starting to gather all of my information and learning about different diets and learning about certain foods and what can aid in losing weight, so that when January hits, I'm focused, I know what to do. If my body does A, I know to do B, and if my body does C, I know how to do D. Like, literally, because when that whole stuff was happening to me in like February, I literally just stopped. I'm like, okay, no more losing weight. I need to focus on my health. And then after, you know, you give yourself one cheat day, which turns into a week, which turns into a month, which turns into the rest of the year. So yeah. But yeah, you guys, I definitely struggled with losing weight this year. And I'm kind of disappointed in myself, because if I'd kept on it, I would have had so much success right now in November. Like, I would have been here saying that I've lost 50 plus pounds, or maybe even 60 plus pounds, maybe even 80 plus pounds I probably could have lost by now. And it's like, now I'll never know, because I wasn't successful and it just didn't work for me. Like, I don't know, like, losing weight is just hard. Like, it's just hard. It's hard to lose weight. And, you know, I'll watch people's videos on YouTube, and I'll see people's Instagram, you know, profiles and things like that, and I'm watching and I'm seeing, and it's like, oh, how did you do it? Like, yeah, they can say, you know, I ate this and I did this, but like, to actually do it, it is so difficult. Losing weight is definitely like a mind over matter type of situation. Like, it's hard. Like, it's actually really hard. So yes, I'm gonna be trying to do the weight loss thing again for 2018. Hoping that 2018 will be a better year for me all around, not just in terms of my weight, but all around, because this year was kind of up and down for your girl. Like, it was up and down. That's why I wasn't even here making videos. I had all intentions of making videos. I even got products sent to me to review, and I haven't even done those videos yet. Like, Lord, like, trust me, it's just hard out here for a girl. Okay. So yes, like I said, I am going to need y'all's help to lose weight this year. Like, I need y'all to hold me accountable. Add me on Snapchat, follow my Facebook page, and of course here on YouTube, follow me on Instagram, and message me and be like, girl, is you doing what you're supposed to be doing? Because I need help. Like, I need you guys to tell me your routines. I need you guys to tell me your tips and secrets. And if you guys started my journey with me and you guys stayed on it till now, kudos to y'all. I commend you guys, because losing weight is hard out here. Like, let me tell you, it's hard. So if you guys stuck to it and you guys have lost weight, please share your stories down below, because a girl need help. Okay, a girl need help. Okay, a girl need help. Losing weight is hard. Like, it's just hard. So yeah, you guys, that is it. This is kind of like an intro into my new weight loss journey video. Yeah, it's been a difficult year for me, and I'm just hoping that next year goes a lot better. And I'm just trying to gather all the information that I can about losing weight and different types of diets and things like that, so that when January 1st hits, I can just start. Like, I'm trying to eat all the junk food that I can right now. Because I know there's going to be a withdrawal in the new year, okay? So, yes, that is it for this video. I know it was kind of all over the place, but yeah, that is it for today's video. Make sure you guys are subscribed to keep up with me. I do have some new videos that are going to be coming on. We're going to have a plus size lookbook coming out. And I know I always say this, you guys, but I legit want to start vlogging. I'm trying to think if I'm going to do Vlogmas. I'm going to try. We're going to see how it goes. Not making no promises, but a girl going to try. Okay, so yes, make sure you guys stay tuned. Leave any comments down below. Please share your stories with me down below as well. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.